Did you know that 95% of commentary shorts never go viral? It's not because the editing is bad, it's because most people are copying content instead of recreating it. In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow for turning any viral short into your own original version that's engaging, highly transformative, and much safer for monetization. Let's jump in. Every successful commentary short follows 4 simple parts: clip, script, voiceover, and editing. Once you understand these 4 steps, you can recreate almost any viral short in your own style. Let's start with finding clips. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to come up with brand new video ideas. You don't have to. Instead, find a short that's already performing well and recreate it with your own unique angle. I usually look for videos in niches like funny moments, emotional stories, motivation, sports, fitness, cats, or dogs. These topics perform well because people naturally enjoy watching them. To find the original clips, I search on TikTok or Instagram. If you're recreating a YouTube short, check the description first. Many creators credit the original source. If they don't, simply search a few keywords related to the video, and you'll usually find the original clip in just a few seconds. Once you've found your clips, download them and move on to the next step. Now it's time to write the script. Copy the link of the YouTube short you want to recreate, paste it into a transcript website, and copy the transcript. Then open Claude AI and paste it in. Ask Claude to rewrite the script with your own idea. I usually tell it to keep the same length, the same pacing, and the same flow. I also ask it to write everything in one paragraph, create a stronger hook, and finish with an engaging question. Once Claude generates the script, don't just copy and paste it. Read it carefully. If you don't like the opening, simply ask Claude to write 5 stronger hook ideas. If the ending feels weak, ask it to generate 5 engaging questions instead. A strong question at the end encourages viewers to leave comments. More comments mean more engagement, and higher engagement gives your video a better chance of reaching more people and escaping that frustrating 30,000 view ceiling. Most importantly, you're not copying someone else's content. You're recreating the idea in your own words and making it unique. Now let's generate the voiceover. This part is more important than most people think because the voice becomes part of your channel's identity. I use ElevenLabs because it creates realistic AI voices. Paste your final script into ElevenLabs and generate the voiceover. Here's a simple trick. Generate the same voiceover 3 times. Each version usually pronounces certain words differently, so during editing, you can simply choose the best take instead of trying to fix awkward pronunciations later. Now let's edit everything together in CapCut. Import your voiceover and your clips. The first thing I edit is always the voiceover. Remove every silent gap so there are no dead moments where viewers might lose interest. Once the voiceover is clean, arrange it on the timeline. Next, bring in your clips and match every visual with exactly what the narrator is talking about. Keep your first clip shorter than 3 seconds. After that, switch clips every 3 to 4 seconds. The goal is simple. Something should always be changing on the screen. Movement keeps people watching. As soon as the voiceover ends, cut the final clip immediately. Don't leave extra footage at the end because it hurts retention. I always start my shorts with a quick zoom animation and a whoosh sound effect to grab attention instantly.
This clever
And remember one important rule. Every visual should match exactly what the voiceover is saying. Now watch my editing process and see how I turn these clips into a finished short.
This dessert without breaking it, you earn a discount. Every day, dessert without breaking it, you earn a discount. Every day, dozens of people runs a challenge where if you can lift this runs a challenge where if you can lift this dessert without breaking it, without breaking it, you earn it. The dessert is made from just egg, which makes it incredible. Challenge is exactly why his stall has become the most popular. Is exact. You earn a discount. The dessert is, which makes it incredible. Is exactly. Lift this dessert. Lift this dessert. Discount every day. Discount every day. Just to try their luck. Will line up just to try their luck. Will line up just to try. What looks simple? What looks simple? Oh, it looks simple. Oh, it looks simple. Most popular spot in town. This clever Colombian street vendor runs a challenge where if you can lift this dessert without breaking it, you nothing more, which makes it
And here's the final result.
This clever Colombian street vendor runs a challenge where if you can lift this dessert without breaking it, you earn a discount. Every day, dozens of people line up just to try their luck. But if it cracks, he serves it to you exactly the way you ruined it. The dessert is made from just eggs, milk, and sugar, nothing more, which makes it incredibly fragile. Even though it looks simple, it's surprisingly hard and takes serious practice. That challenge is exactly why his stall has become the most popular spot in town.
This entire workflow lets you recreate viral shorts without copying anyone's work. You're taking inspiration, rewriting the script, adding your own narration, and transforming everything with your own editing style. If you learned something from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I have plenty more tutorials on AI, video editing, and YouTube growth to help you create better content and reach more people. I'll see you in the next video.